You see, I will, just like you've asked, speak objectively. There is nothing really wrong if you look at it in one from another angle. Because that office, we've had a situation whereby in this country a president has been, or head of state, not a president, has been assassinated. And it is not for his private use, his official use. So I don't really see anything wrong with the president using a German-made bomb jammer Mercedes Benz used by the US president. I don't see anything wrong with that. But if people like some other people are saying this, you say, well, they have reasons to say that, but not people like Dino Melai. And I'll tell you why. This is a man, according to the available record, has never worked in his life. After his student unionism, from a student NANS president to ECOWAS to whatever youth body, and President Obasanjo appointed him as the chairman of presidential whatever on youth. He has not worked anywhere. From there, he went into politics, House of Rep and Senate. Look at the wealth he's flaunting. Ask in his constituency how many people has he empowered? How many people has he alleviated out of, multi-dimensional poverty? People like Dino Melaya are shameless. As I said, he's a shameless politician in chief. So how did he make his money and be flaunting it? He doesn't have that pedigree. He doesn't have any out of pedigree to criticize the president. As it is, look at all the cars he's flaunting. Somebody that has never worked in his life. All he has done is politics. From this thing, chairman of a presidential advisory council to House of Rep and Senate. This is somebody that recently has published by FCDA evaded tax, which is a criminal offense. And today is coming to complain about the president buying bomb jammer Mercedes Benz used by the US president. The president is not from my party. I'm not holding brief for the president, but I'm just being objective about this. Such a person. Nigerians need to ask questions with characters like Senator Dino Mela. With all due respect to him, they need to ask him questions. So, coming to say the president is using this kind of car, the office of the president deserves such kind of car in our present time. And I think there is nothing wrong, but that is not to say that the president should not pay attention to the multidimensional poverty that the country is experiencing.